Understanding namespacing in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a term that you might have heard in the world of programming and technology: namespacing. This concept can be a bit tricky, but fear not. We'll break it down together in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's get started. At its core, namespacing is about organizing and categorizing code in a way that prevents conflicts. Imagine you're in a large library with thousands of books but no organization system. Finding a specific book would be a nightmare. Namespacing in programming works like a library's categorization system. It helps to ensure that each piece of code has its unique place and can be easily found without mix-ups. Without namespacing, different pieces of code might accidentally have the same name or identifier. This can cause errors because the computer doesn't know which one you're referring to. By using namespacing, programmers make sure that each piece of their code is distinct and won't clash with others, much like having only one person with a particular name in a small community. To make it simpler, think of namespacing like organizing your contacts in a phone. If you just saved everyone as Mike or Sarah, you'd soon be confused. Instead, you use last names, nicknames, or even their job titles to distinguish between them. Namespacing in programming does something similar by giving unique and specific identifiers to different parts of the code. A common example is when two programmers are working on the same project but create functions with the same name. Without namespacing, the program wouldn't know which function to use. But with namespacing, each function is part of a different namespace, and it's clear which function is being referred to. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of namespacing in a clear and simple way. It's a fundamental part of programming that helps keep code organized and error-free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.